Yeah, I've been living my life on the west side. I'ma ride till I die, getting so high. Up in the sky, blue eyes, match the blue tide. I can feel the butterflies on the inside. And we keep doing some more. Her favorite drink that I pour, Cali got me so bored. I'm finna head out on tour. And we don't roll through the 6, we roll through 9 in the whip. The weather looking so thick, I'm about to get off the grid. Yeah, yeah, she be by my side every time I wanna run away. And I live my best life, pouring up on a Sunday. Yeah, she be by my side every time I wanna run away. And I live my best life, pouring up on a Sunday. Like the synth glide, always been by my side through the rough times. Now I'm living hella right, Hollywood's nice. Took a roll of the dice, didn't think twice. Yeah, I got it alright. Yeah, I'll be lit up by the end of the night. Every day's a celebration if you're doing it right. I ain't never going back, heading straight towards the light. Yeah, yeah, she be by my side every time I wanna run away. And I live my best life, pouring up on a Sunday. Yeah, she be by my side every time I wanna run away. And I live my best life, pouring up on a Sunday.
Енді бір тал түсірсек әдемі кетеді достар. Өткен бір чуть-чуть.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the attention. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna